Sweetie, I know. Just sit up for a minute, sweetie. What hurts? Does your throat hurt?
No, I do.
Where do you hurt?
I don't know.
Can you tell me where it hurts? No, it just hurts?
Yeah.
He's half asleep. Can you try to tell Mommy and Daddy where it hurts? Is it your tummy? Hold my hand, buddy. Hold my hand. Okay.
Relax, calm down.
It's okay, buddy. Okay, baby. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Can you tell Mommy where it hurts? It's okay,
You
baby.
gotta stop crying. Making it worse, buddy.
You know. I know, sweetie. Can you try to tell Mommy what hurts? Is it your foot?
I don't want you to.
Is it your nose?
I don't want to.
You don't want to tell me? Please, can you tell me? Is it your throat? He's sweating so bad. He's soaked. I know.
What's on the sink,
Baby.
You gotta stop crying, buddy.